Hey, what is up everybody? Today we're going to be making a protein shake in the Blendjet. I don't got the cap on it right now because I'm getting ready to put stuff in it. We're going to make a protein shake in this bad boy. It's going to be a smoothie with protein powder in it. Let's go ahead and get into it, guys. So here's what I'm going to be putting in this protein shake. I'm going to be putting in 1/4 cup of these frozen wild blueberries, a couple slices of pineapple, that's fresh pineapple, I just cut it today, and a serving of Protein Greens Vega plant-based protein. We're gonna try to get all that into this thing, so let's see how it goes. Put a slice of, man, I tell you, you can't fit too much. It's gonna be an adjustment for me getting used to this Blendjet, pretty small. And next we'll top it off with this protein powder. It looks kind of overstuffed to me right now. Now what I'd like to do, my plan was to put about 6 ounces of water in there. We're going to find out if this is going to be able to handle it. It's the world's most powerful portable blender. Hope it can handle it. Let's turn it upside down, per the instructions. I don't know if I'm supposed to shake it or not. I'm still seeing some of my protein powder at the top. And then I think it stops automatically. I don't know. I don't know if it stopped automatically or it just died. Okay, so that's what we end up with. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. As you can see, got some stuff around the top. That is all protein powder. It didn't get blended up. I don't know, man. I don't know. I might have just overstuffed it, you know? I might have just used too much. Shake this up. Because I don't even want to drink that when it's like that, you know? Turned it on by accident. I'm gonna shake this up, turn it back over. I think the lesson here is really, you gotta be careful how much ingredients you put in this. I'm used to putting ingredients in a NutriBullet and in a regular blender, and this is smaller than that. So that blender over there, that Oster, holds 48 ounces. It holds 6 cups. This holds 12 ounces, so you have to be careful how much ingredients you put in this thing. And I'm trying to see if this is going to stop on its own, because it actually stopped on its own last time, and I don't know if it just like glitched out or misfired or... Yeah, it stops on its own. Okay, so this stops on its own, you guys. Pretty cool. Alright, what's it look like now? Keep in mind, I have blended this once, I have shaken it up, and then I've blended it a second time, and it looks pretty well blended now. Looks pretty good. Okay, so I still taste a few tiny little chunks of pineapple in there. Not really tasting any blueberries. Not sure how well the protein powder really got blended up. But it's not bad. It's not bad. I think a lot of it might have been user error. I think maybe I might have just put too much ingredients in there. You definitely can't go crazy on the ingredients with the Blendjet unless you want to use very small quantities of ingredients. So that's the first lesson I take away. This is my first drink I've tried to make in this thing, and that's definitely my first lesson from this. So, not that impressed with that drink, I can tell you that. But that's okay. More to come, guys. Hey guys, a quick update on the blueberry pineapple protein blast that I tried to make in the Blendjet. My wife was talking to me after I made that video, and she was saying that she saw something about how, like with Blendjet, you have to kind of take it one ingredient at a time. You have to basically put one ingredient in there, blend that up, put another ingredient in there, blend that up. And you kind of got to take it step by step with the Blendjet. I wasn't aware of that, guys. I'm not a Blendjet master. I just got it and I'm kind of just now experimenting with it. So if you guys know some great tips, some helpful strategies, if you know some great recipes, leave them in the comment section. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. I am definitely not a master of this blender at all. I'm still learning. This is Cam Jennings. Hope you enjoyed this video on the Blendjet. And I'm reminding you guys right now, you keep watching them, I'll keep making them. See you guys.